Ultrasonic ultrasonic sealing machine. Ultrasonic welding technology is the most mature and stable application in the ultrasonic industry. That is the main reason why it is popular and has been widely used in many welding fields. Ultrasonic welding does not need glue and adhesive, which will not cause environmental pollution. Meanwhile, it also helps to save the necessary power and energy consumption. Besides, the perfect welding effect is the best advantage of ultrasonic welding. Ultrasound can achieve seamless welding and reduce the welding interface, very high stability. Welcome to contact us for free testing with your materials.